Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we have something very special. We're going from country to country to country. That's right, we're going to have a competition. Who's got the best sausages? Or luganica, Italians or the Greeks? And yes, we're going to use Jack the Greek's sausages. I have some Italian spicy sausages that you would have seen on my Facebook page that I made a few weeks ago. And we've also got some Greek style leek sausages, which they're called brasa. And you would have seen nice there, right in front of us again. It's a beautiful Cypriot luganica, and that's for my Cypriot family as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 3 different varieties. With my Italian spicy sausages, we're going to make them and complement them with some beautiful capsicums, and we're going to fry them up on the crossroad barbecue. I've got the crossroad barbecue now with all 4 burners on low. I'm just about to put the pan in as well, just to get that warmed up. So we'll do that right now, just there. There we go. And with our Greek ones, we're going to complement them with some beautiful Greek style salad. And with our gibreka luganica, we're going to just complement them with some pickles, onions, and a beautiful splash of lemon. We're going to start with our capsicums. So all I'm going to do here is just slice them up like this. And I'll do a couple, because we don't want to spend too much time on that. Just like that. And we're going to fry them up with some beautiful olive oil on the crossroad barbecue. And we're going to slice them up nice and small, just like this. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like that. Yep. There we go. Nicely. Nice and thin. Okay, so we're nearly there. We're just cutting our last few capsicums. And I'll quickly just grab my standard kitchen knife to make it a lot quicker. And there we go. Beautiful. Look at those beautiful colours. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our pan that we have just here. And we're going to grab some beautiful olive oil. And we're going to put that on the bottom, just like this. Soppa. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful olive oil. And we're going to grab our capsicums and just put them in. Opas. Listen to that. There we go. Beautiful. Now put the rest in there. Just like that. There we go. Beautiful. We're going to put a little bit of salt. Just there. And a little bit of pepper as well. Now we're just going to leave them cook away, melt away, and just get ready for us to plate them up. Now it's time to grab our luganica. So let's grab the brasa first. There they are here. I always like to shrimp wrap them. Just like this, and just pull them out. There we go. Beautiful. Brasata. There they are, with the brasa, which is spring onions and leeks. So you put a bit of spring onion, you put some leeks with some pork, and you leave it overnight, and then you make your sausages with some salt, pepper. It's that simple. With my Italian style sausages, I made them very similar. So I'm not going to reveal my secrets there, but of course, I use some herbs and spices to make my beautiful Italian sausages. And there we are there. So we'll grab them and put them straight on the crossroad barbecue. Just like that. Beautiful. And there we go. Now, luganica with brasa. Just put them there as well. And there we go. And of course, our last ones, once again, they're all homemade. Our beautiful Cypriot style luganica. So it's all about the pork sausage today. Cypriot style luganica, which are a wine based vicino, as it's called. We have our Italian spicy ones. And we also have our traditional Greek brasa luganica. We'll give that a bit of a stir, just like that. Move it around. Put the lid down just for a few minutes. And we'll come back and turn over our sausages. And within about 4 or 5 minutes, we should be ready to plate up our beautiful sausages and work out who is the best today. The Greeks, the Italians, or our Cypriot friends as well. It's now time to plate up. We're not far away from all our sausages. As you can see, I've just grabbed the pita bread. I'm just going to put it up there because we're going to complement our Cypriot luganica with the pita bread. I've placed my Cypriot luganica on top because they're a little bit thinner than the other sausages. But for now, let's get our plates ready. We've got our ciabatta bread just here, all sliced up, ready for our Italian sausages. Over here, we're going to plate our Cypriot sausages. We're going to put a little bit of onion just on the side like that to complement them. And on the other side, we're going to put some nice pepper, yes, just some little peppers like that. And what we'll do is, we'll also slice a lemon as well. So there we go. We'll slice that lemon just like that. We'll put that there. And with that Greek one, ta-da! We're going to have some beautiful Greek salad here as well. And we're going to place that there. I can hear everything and I can smell everything behind me. It's nearly ready. Just like that. So we'll put that there. Beautiful. There we go. Just like that. Now, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on our salad. Yoppa. There we go. And a bit on our onion. Just like that as well. And of course, we've got to put some Greek galas salt on our salad just there. So, now it's time to get our sausages. But first of all, before we do that, we'll turn them over a little bit. It's nearly ready. We'll grab our beautiful capsicums. And look at them. Look at them, beautiful caramelized. Beautiful. We'll place them in there just for now. There we go. We'll put that away. There we go. So we'll leave them there. And we'll grab our sausages. First of all, we'll grab our Italian spicy sausages that we made a couple of weeks ago. And for all the details, you can just jump on Jack the Greek's Facebook page to see the whole journey of making these beautiful organica. And these are the Greek ones with the leek. And the brasa. There we go. And while we're there, we'll quickly just drop down our pita bread, just like that, and grab our Cypriot organica, just in the middle. We'll put it here. Beautiful. There we go. Our pita bread. Let it just brown up. And while we're there, we'll put our beautiful organica just here, just like that. Our bars. We've got our beautiful leek sausages here. There we go. Beautiful. Just there. And we'll slice one up for you. There we go. We're nearly there. We'll grab that like that. Put it at the front. Just there. And of course, now, let's not forget our pita bread. Well, we nearly burnt it. We'll leave it there for now and get our beautiful, lucky last, we hope, our Italian sausages. And this is for my friend Christian. When you get out of this COVID situation, bring your family over and we'll have some beautiful, spicy Italian sausages with peppers, just like that. And we can enjoy a beautiful barbecue, just like this. There's two, and we'll make it two. That's enough there. Put that away. We'll put our peppers away as well, and we'll cut up a couple of sausages. We'll put them in the front like that. There we go. Beautiful Italian sausages. Look at this. Look at the chili coming through. Nice and spicy. Beautiful. Just like that. And of course, some of you guys might be screaming, don't forget the pita bread. Don't forget the pita bread. We're not going to forget the pita bread. We'll crunch it up just like this. And we'll just place it on the side here, just around our organica with our lemon. Opas. There we go. And again, I can't be biased. I love them all. But the number one for me needs to be and has to be my beautiful Cypriot organica. So while I'm packing up and cleaning up, we'll just go through again what we just prepared on the Crossroad barbecue. We had all 4 burners on low, and we had a beautiful range of, we'll put them down there, beautiful range of organica, some lemons, some herbs, some capsicums, and some nibblies. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a beautiful leek organica with our Greek salad, our Cypriot organica with a couple of nibblies on the side as appetizers, and of course, our beautiful Cypriot Luganica. Oh, last but least, our Italian ciabatta roll, spicy Italian sausages with capsicum. All cooked on the Crossway Barbecue by Jack the Greek. Obas.